Rotary International Programs for New Generation is Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Santosh Sridhar. Dr. Major Donor Professor Dr. Santosh Sridhar, who is a dentist by profession and has worked as professor and head of department at Pariyaram Dental College, Kannur. He is a chief dental surgeon and consultant periodontist at Multispecialty Dental Clinic, Payanur. He is a leader par excellence and held various posts in Indian Dental Association as a past national vice president, state president of Indian Dental Association, Kerala State. He was a past national president of Indian Society of Periodontology, and he's an active Rotarian. Joined this Rotary movement in the year 1999 and has held various posts in Rotary at the club level and the district level. He has received various accolades for his exemplary services towards Rotary and is happily married to Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Sudha Santosh and blessed with two children, Annette PHF Sanjana Santosh and Annette PHF Sanjit Santosh. With these few words, I invite a faculty Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Santosh Sridhar for his session.
Mr. President, Rotarian C.T. Ibrahim, District Governor, Rotarian Dr. Harikrishnan Nambiar, fellow Rotarians, interactors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. My topic of presentation is Rotary programs for young leaders. We cannot always build future for our youth, but we can build youth for the future, said former American President Franklin D. Roosevelt. And Rotary's service to the youth has been aiming at the very same thing. Today's youth are future Rotarians. Rotary believes in developing the next generation of leaders. Rotary's program helps younger leaders to build leadership skills, to expand education, and to learn the value of service. Interact Club, Rotaract Club, Rotary Youth Leadership Awards, Rotary Youth Exchange, New Generation Service Exchange are the programs envisaged by Rotary for the betterment of the young leaders. How do these programs benefit the young people? These programs will help to develop professional and leadership skills, to build international understanding and respect for the right of others, to learn ethical standards and how to apply them in your work or in your studies, to gain opportunities for service locally as well as globally. Interact is a Rotary-sponsored service club for the youth. Interact clubs bring together young people aged 12 to 18 to develop leadership skills and learn about the world through service projects and activities. The goals of the Interact Club: to develop leadership skills and personal integrity, to demonstrate helpfulness and respect for others, advance international understanding and goodwill, and also to make new friends around the world. The term Interact stands for two words, that is international plus action. In Rotary, the members are called as Rotarians, and in Interact Club, the members of the Interact Club are called as interactors. Interact has got its own emblem. Earlier, this was the emblem which used. Now, the new Interact logo consists of the Rotary logo after the word Interact. So all Interact clubs are supposed to use this new Interact logo in all the projects and programs. Interact Club also has got a standard constitution bylaws prescribed by Rotary International. These Interact clubs can be formed either in schools or in communities. The minimum membership strength to start an Interact club is 15. The Interact club has to meet at least twice a month. The club structure consists of a board of directors, which includes president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and 4 subcommittees, namely club committee, finance committee, service committee, and international understanding committee. Every Interact club should have a Rotarian advisor from the sponsoring Rotary club who will guide all the activities of the club. Every Rotary district has got a district Interact committee and a district Interact chair who will guide and encourage all the activities of the Interact club in the district. Our state Interact chair, Rotarian Harish, has been working tirelessly for the betterment of the Interact club in our district, I request all of you to put your hands together and congratulate him for his great efforts in organizing this Raila. Congratulations, Rotarian Harish, for organizing this Backwaters Raila 2020. Interact clubs are supposed to organize at least 2 projects every year. One that helps the school or community, and one which promotes the international understanding, goodwill, and peace. Interact Club should sponsor Rotary Club, the sponsor Rotary Club. The Rotary Club is sponsor the Interact Club, should guide the members of the Interact Club to carry out projects and to develop leadership skills. The Interact Club can celebrate the global impact by getting involved in World Interact Week. World Interact Week is observed in the week including 5th November to commemorate the formation of the first Interact Club in the world, the Interact Club of Melbourne High School, Florida, USA, in the year 1962. And Rotary Youth at the United Nations, 12th August. Global Youth Service Day is observed in the last weekend of April. It is an event to celebrate the young volunteers across the globe, usually observed on the last Friday to last Sunday, a 3-day event in the month of April. Rotary International also organizes Interact Video Award Contest and recognizes the best videos and also recognizes those Interact Club with awards. Rotaract is the breeding ground for tomorrow's Rotarians. Rotaract clubs bring together young people ages 18 and older to exchange ideas with leaders in the community, develop leadership and professional skills, and have fun through service. The name Rotaract stands for Rotary plus Action, and the members of the Rotaract clubs are called as Rotaractor. The motto of Rotaract club is fellowship through service, and every Rotaract club has got its own emblem. This was the earlier emblem which was used, is no more used, and the new Rotaract logo consists of the rotary wheel after the word Rotaract. And Rotaract club also has got a standard constitution bylaws. It can be formed either campus-based or community-based, and minimum membership strength to start a Rotaract club is 15. The club has to meet twice a month, and the board of directors has to meet at least once a month. And the club committee consists of president, president-elect, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and 4 subcommittee chairs, namely club service, professional service, community service, and international service. There is a club certification fee. When we are forming a new Rotaract club, the charter fee of $50 has to be paid to the Rotary International as a certification fee. Every district has got a district Rotaract committee and also a DRR, district Rotaract representative, who is elected among the Rotaractors of the district to guide and encourage the activities of the Rotaract clubs in that particular district. And World Rotaract Week is observed every year, the week including 13th March, to commemorate the formation of the first Rotaract club in the world, the Rotaract Club of University of North Carolina, which was formed in the year 1968. As on today, there are 15,001 Interact clubs and 3,45,023 interactors spread out in 145 countries. And there are 10,750 Rotaract clubs with 2,03,537 Rotaractors in 180 countries. Interact clubs and Rotaract clubs are the family of Rotary. They are the partners in service. This is a changing world, and Rotary is also changing as per the changing world. The COL, the Council on Legislation or the Council on Resolutions, which is popularly known as Rotary's Parliament, brings out a lot of decisions and policies once in 3 years. And as per the 2020 board meeting of the Rotary International, the Rotaract clubs will be able to establish a new club with or without a sponsor. So earlier, need a Rotary club to sponsor a Rotaract club. Now, a Rotaract club can be formed by a Rotaract club or by a Rotary club, or it can be formed independently. Rotary clubs will begin paying dues to Rotary International from 1st July 2022. Till 30th June 2022, there is no dues. You can form a Rotary club by just paying the charter fee of $50. But from 2022 onwards, there is going to be a lot of changes. The annual dues will be $5 per member for the university-based club, that is campus-based, and $8 per member for community-based club. The 50 one-time charter fee of forming a new Rotary club will be eliminated, and a Rotary club may, but is not required. Earlier, 18 to 30. Now, a Rotary club not having an age limit, it is 18 plus. So these are the new changes which are coming up. And RILA. Way back in 1962-63, the first Rotary International president from India, Nitish Lahiri, gave us a beautiful theme, kindle the spark within. Through RILA, Rotary is doing exactly the same thing. RILA kindles the leadership spark within the youth. This two-day event will give you an insight of RILA, and you will experience what the RILA is. It's a leadership development program for young people who want to learn new skills, build their confidence, and have fun. And it is for the participants aged between 14 to 30, include presentations, activities, and workshops covering a variety of topics. Conduct as a one-day seminar, a 3-day retreat, or a week-long camp. It can be a physical or it can be virtual. RILA can be conducted club level, district level, multi-district level, or an international RILA. RILA helps to connect with leaders in your community and around the world to build communication and problem-solving skills, to discover strategies for becoming a dynamic leader in your school or community. What are the benefits of RILA? It will help to learn from community leaders, inspirational speakers, and peer mentors. Helps to unlock your potential, helps to turn motivation into action, and to have fun and making lasting friendship with RILarians. The participants of RILA are called as RILarians, and welcome RILarians to this beautiful RILA happening in the virtual platform. Rotary Youth Exchange is the flagship program of Rotary, one of the most successful and popular programs in the history of Rotary. Rotary Youth Exchange build peace one young person at a time. Students travel to other countries to learn a new language, discover another culture, and truly become global citizens. Exchanges for students ages 15 to 19 are sponsored by Rotary clubs in more than 100 countries. Encourage leadership of youth by youth. The eligibility: students who are the age group of 15 to 19 at the high school or college or an equivalent academic level, who is above average academically, and who are also socially ready to handle living abroad for an extended period. The program costs the host club or the parents provide educational expenses, arrange an appropriate academic program, orientation lectures, and also a modest monthly allowance. Parents provide the travel, health, accident, and liability insurance, appropriate clothing, and round-trip transportation. This Rotary Youth Exchange can be a long-term exchange or it can be a short-term exchange. Long-term exchanges last a full academic year. Students live with more than one family in the host country and attend the school there. So if you're selected for a long-term exchange, it's for one academic year. Suppose if you're studying for +2, you can continue your +2 studies in another country by living in different families in that host country. Short-term exchanges happens only during the vacation from several days to 3 months. They are often structured as a youth camp, tours, or homestays that take place during the school vacation. This is one of the feedback I just want to share from Varda Shah, who is a former youth exchange student from India who went to Brazil. Before, I would never be able to make a conversation with a person whom I didn't know before. Now, I can proudly say it isn't like that anymore. I can go up to people, I have become more open and more mature. This is what happens when you involve in Rotary youth activities. And New Generation Service Exchange. New Generation Service Exchange is a short-term, customizable program for university students and professionals from the age group of 18 to 30. Youth Exchange is for 14 to 19, and this is for 18 to 30. Program lasts from a few weeks to 6 months. It could be one way or reciprocal, or for individuals or small groups. So the RYE is only for one student, and this can be for a smaller groups, for group of having 1 to 6 people. Participants can design exchanges that combine the professional goals with a humanitarian project, because only the professionals go for NGSE, so they should have a professional goal, but same time that should have a service in action. Some New Generation Service Exchange includes vocational mentorship, unpaid internship or study groups. Current and former Rotaractors, former Interactors, RILA participants and Youth Exchange students are highly encouraged to apply. Participants must have a sponsorship of local Rotary Club. Benefits of New Generation Service Exchange: to make connection with service-minded community leaders in other countries, to learn a new language, to build your professional skills and gain international experience, travel and explore a new culture while giving back through service. And this is also another feedback. Tara Higgins, who spent 8 weeks in Ireland visiting a number of classrooms to improve her skill as a teacher. When we travel, this amazing thing happens. We are constantly exposed to new experiences and new people. I am so grateful for Rotary for allowing me to experience that. In Rotary, every month is designated for certain activities, and the month of May is observed as Youth Service Month. We cannot talk about the future without talking about children. They are our future. The Youth Service Month can be observed by celebrating, recognizing the outstanding achievements of young people in the community. The Rotarians or the Interactors or Rotaractors can invite Interactors or Youth Exchange students to speak about their experience in their meeting, launch a new project to benefit youth in your area. We have a website, www.rotary.org, which has got ocean of information about everything what does with Rotary. So you can log into the website for all the information, and also you can just mail to Interact, Rotaract, RILA, Youth Exchange, NGSE at rotary.org for all the queries. Let me conclude with the words of a past Rotary International President, Louis Vincent G., who passed away last month. The new generations are our investment in the future. Let us begin to build that future today. I thank Rotary Parayangadi for this opportunity, and I thank one and all for the patient listening. Thank you. Jai Rotary.